Hello, welcome to NetSkill Navigator. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Canva Pro for free. All you need to do is to click Start Your Free Pro Trial and then use any email that hasn't been used Canva in the past. In this case, I'm using my own Gmail account to sign up for Canva Pro. Canva will send you a code in the email that you use to avail Canva Pro. In this email, if you can't find the Canva message, all you have to do is go to search bar and type Canva. And then you will see the code that Canva sent you. Then you copy paste the code. So here, I'm gonna choose the monthly plan. In this case, I will be using my debit card. And for you to avail Canva Pro for free or any software with a free trial, you need to use any payment method that has money on it. You cannot use any payment method without any money on it because you cannot avail any free trial. So in this case, I'm using my own debit card that has money on it. But once I'm able to avail the free trial, Canva Pro won't charge me until the 30th day. So you gotta make sure that before the 30th day, you have already canceled the plan. Now once you're done, click to start your free trial. And then boom, congratulations. You can now make the best use of Canva Pro feature, including its new AI feature. So enjoy, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, NetSkill Navigator, for more tutorials. Thank you.